Greetings to you all beautiful souls. This elegant style is the same style with the previous video that I dropped. Alright, so please, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Gale Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please do well to like, drop your comments, share my videos, and above all subscribe. Kudos to you, all my subscribers, both new and old ones. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. So there is no much explanation here. Just watch my previous video. It's the same step but different outcome. Thanks so much on my subscribers once more again. I love you all. And those of you who is watching, please do what to subscribe. Let us learn together, beautiful souls. Thanks once again.